Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a new side hustle, you've probably heard about food delivery apps like Instacart. But what about Walmart Spark? It is a massive player, and a lot of people are asking, is Spark better than Instacart? And how do I even get started? Today, we're going to answer all those questions. I'll walk you through the simple sign up process for Spark in 2025 and then give you direct honest comparison to Instacart so you can decide which one is right for you. Before you even start the application, make sure you have a few things ready. Spark's requirements are pretty straightforward. You must be at least 18 years old. You need a valid driver's license and a proof of auto insurance. You must have access to a reliable vehicle. The good news is that Spark is pretty flexible here. As long as your car is in good condition, you're good to go. You must be able to pass a standard background check. This is a non negotiable part of the process for any delivery app. Once you have all that, you're ready to head to the website and begin the application. The sign up process is very simple and takes just a few minutes. Here's the step by step guide. Go to the official Spark driver website or download the app. Provide your personal information, including your name, email, phone number, and address. This is all standard stuff. Enter your vehicle information, including the make, model, and license plate number. Consent to the background check. This is done through a third party service, and it is the part that takes the longest. It can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the demand in your area. Lastly, wait for approval. Once your application and background check are approved, you'll receive a notification and be able to start driving. That's it. It is a very straightforward process. Now for the big question, which one is better? The truth is, it depends on your style. Shopping versus delivery. With Instacart, you are doing all the shopping inside the store. This can take a lot of time and effort, but it often leads to a higher payout and more tips. With Spark, most orders are curbside pickup, which means Walmart employees load the car for you. This is much faster and less work, but the base pay can sometimes be lower. Order consistency. Spark's orders are almost always from the same place, a Walmart store. This is great because you'll know the store layout and you won't have to drive all over town to different supermarkets. Instacart, on the other hand, gives you access to a huge variety of stores, from big box retailers to small local groceries, which can lead to a wider range of opportunities. The pay. Both apps use a base pay plus tips model. Instacart often has better tips, but the base pay on some Spark orders can be surprisingly high, especially for bigger orders or during peak hours. Ultimately, Spark is often more structured and efficient, while Instacart offers more flexibility and variety. So which one should you choose? My final verdict is this: do not choose. Sign up for both. Since they are both free to join, you can run them at the same time and see which one gives you better opportunities in your specific market. This is the best way to maximize your earnings. The gig economy is all about using the best tools available, and having both apps in your pocket is a smart move.